Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. Transform weak orchids with pale green leaves into healthy plants with deep green, glossy leaves full of vitality. In today's video, I will share with you an extremely simple organic fertilizer recipe, using only ingredients readily available in your kitchen. Help your orchids achieve strong, healthy roots that are white and plump, glossy green leaves that are firm and smooth, long, vigorous flower spikes with evenly opening buds and vibrant blooms. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any helpful orchid care tips from Great Garden. Let's get started. The first ingredient I use is garlic. Garlic contains a high amount of allicin along with natural sulfur compounds, which are highly effective in antibacterial and antifungal activity, and in inhibiting harmful microorganisms. First, I will use 3 cloves of garlic like this. Next, separate the garlic into 2 parts, the garlic flesh and the garlic peel. Then, slice the garlic into small pieces as shown in the video. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, finely chop the garlic so that the natural active compounds, especially allicin, can be easily released and dissolved into the solution, enhancing antibacterial and antifungal effectiveness and helping the plant absorb nutrients more efficiently. After finely chopping the garlic, I will put all of it into a clean glass cup. Add 500 milliliters of hot water to prepare the solution. Next, stir well so that the nutrients and natural active compounds in the garlic are released and evenly dissolved into the water, creating a solution ready for the next steps of use. At the same time, I will pour 500 milliliters of hot water into a clean glass cup. Next, use turmeric powder as an ingredient to make an organic fertilizer. Turmeric powder contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant compound with antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. I add 1 spoon of turmeric powder to the cup of water prepared earlier. Then, use a spoon to stir well until the turmeric powder dissolves into the water. Stirring helps active compounds such as curcumin be fully released and evenly dispersed in the solution, thereby enhancing antibacterial and antifungal effects, and helping the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. Finally, cover it and let the solution steep for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, I filter out the turmeric residue and keep only the cleared liquid. This is the nutrient solution we need. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. At the same time, I also filter out the garlic residue that has been mixed with the turmeric solution. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution, creating a mixture that is ready for watering and misting the orchids. And that's it. The solution is now ready to be used as an organic fertilizer. Let's apply it to your orchids together. Method 1. First, pour the prepared garlic and turmeric solution into a small, clean cup. Next, use a soft cloth or cotton pad lightly soaked in the solution to gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the orchid leaves. This solution not only removes dust, mineral residues, and long-term buildup, but also provides antibacterial and antifungal compounds from garlic, along with curcumin and minerals from turmeric powder. As a result, the orchid leaves are protected from bacteria and mold, becoming naturally darker green, thicker, and glossier, which enhances photosynthesis and overall plant vitality. This method should be applied 1 to 2 times per week during the recovery phase, or when the plant needs a health boost. Afterward, it can be reduced to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness and support sustainable growth. Method 2. I pour the garlic turmeric solution into a dedicated watering container, then gently water evenly around the base of each orchid pot. This watering method not only cleans the growing medium by removing dust and accumulated residues, but also helps balance the root environment and limit the growth of bacteria, fungi, and other harmful agents. Garlic provides natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, while turmeric powder supplies vitamins and antioxidants, supporting healthy root development and enhancing nutrient absorption efficiency. Watering should be done once a week during the recovery or active growth stage. Once the orchids are stable, it can be reduced to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain long-term vitality. When watering, apply the solution evenly and gently, avoiding excess liquid pooling in the pot to keep the growing medium well aerated and the roots healthy, while reducing the risk of fungal diseases and helping the plant grow steadily and stay lush and green. Method 3. Pour the garlic turmeric solution into a dedicated spray bottle, then mist evenly over the entire plant, including the leaves, stem, roots, and leaf axils. This solution helps nutrients penetrate evenly into all parts of the plant, cleanses the leaves, stabilizes the growing environment, and limits the development of harmful bacteria and fungi. At the same time, compounds from garlic and turmeric help boost the plant's natural resistance. When spraying, make sure to mist both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the solution can penetrate deeply, helping the leaves absorb light more effectively, enhance photosynthesis, and support healthy, well-rounded plant growth. This method should be applied once a week during the first month, then reduced to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the roots and leaves can absorb the nutrients. If there is any remaining moisture on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth or clean cotton to prevent creating a favorable environment for fungal growth. Once the leaves are completely dry, the plant will be healthier, with thicker, glossy green leaves full of vitality. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. The results after 2 months are truly impressive. The orchid leaves are deep green, thick, and glossy. New leaves are full of vitality, photosynthesize efficiently, and support strong new shoots. The root system develops vigorously, with many new white, plump roots and green root tips that firmly anchor to the growing medium, helping the plant absorb water and nutrients effectively. Overall strong and robust. Flower spikes and buds grow evenly. Buds are large and full. Flowers bloom uniformly with bright colors and long-lasting blooms, creating a vibrant, healthy orchid pot. Have you tried natural orchid care with garlic and turmeric? Share your experience in the comments. When nurtured the right way, orchids respond with lasting vitality and pure beauty. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications.